Hello, here we are today. It's May 3rd, I believe, or May 3rd or 4th. We are foliar feeding with Mark's Special T. I did ppm, and I'm at, with my Blue Lab, I am at 220 parts per million. That's about perfect. Be between 200 and 250 for foliar feeding. If you got lights going, raise your light. I raised mine up about 6 more inches so I don't burn my leaves while I'm feeding them. I also pH the water. I have a pH meter here, pH'd, and the water's in the 6s, 6.8, 6.7. That's good to be between 6.5 and 7 for your foliar feeding on your pH. 6.5 is probably perfect. Anyways, my plants are light green due to me being so busy. They haven't been babied, so now I'm going to start feeding them twice a day with Mark's Special T. And I will spray the bottoms of the leaves really good. When I get this phone out of my hand, I will lift the leaves and do the bottoms. But I want to talk to you. Some guys like that jacking up their soils and getting all this stuff in there. The only problem with jacking your soils is, remember, if you find out I'm too hot, you can't reverse it. I'm going to feed this year. I'm just going to balance my soils. I'm going to feed with Mark's mixes. I can regulate that. If I need to pick up the pace, I can pick up the pace. CalMag 7% nitrogen, I can pick up the CalMag. I can pick up the other ingredients and bring it to where I want. I can foliar feed twice a day with my blower. But if I get my soil all jacked to the hilt, you can't reverse it. I've done that before. I learned my lesson. Read the instructions, and you won't need instructions, and you won't learn your lesson. All right? So if you have any questions, post them below. But here we are. Give me a few days. Watch these plants green up as I spray them twice a day for the next 3 to 4 days. All right? Light, mild feedings.